All right, folks, welcome back. We are in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We are at the Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Murfreesboro. I'm here for a conference for 4 nights. It's Sunday, so I'm here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday night, and I'll be leaving, headed back home Thursday. Now, I know a lot of you obviously have already seen these hotel rooms, but I'm just going to show you my room here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This is my first time that I can think of ever staying at a Hilton or Embassy Suites. So uh, it's kind of new to me. So I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, when you first walk in, you got your little seating area here, little chair there, sofa. Got a little seating area here that could be a little workstation or for a couple people to eat at or whatever. You got a little ottoman there and a television there. You got this big front window here. I'm going to close those in just a minute, but it basically just overlooks the down below is like the lobby area, and it's a really nice hotel. But there's no view out there. I'm going to shut that here in just a few minutes. Uh, anyway, get you a look here. You got a floor lamp there. I hadn't seen anything that I wasn't happy with yet, so. And right here in the middle, you got your little bar area. You got your microwave, your little mini fridge. Everything looks clean. At first glance, a little microwave. Everything looks clean in there, and don't see any issues with anything. I may or may not use that. I don't know. Obviously, you got the little mini fridge. I don't use the coffee pots. I never use those. I'm not a big coffee drinker anyway. So if I decide to get some coffee, I'll stop somewhere and grab some. All right, the bathroom, it's small, but it's clean. I don't see any issues. You got your linen down here, your vanity, sink area. It's nice and clean. I noticed here they have the bottles mounted on the walls here. You got your body lotion there, and then over here in the shower, it's got a tub shower, nice tub shower combo here. There's your shower head. And then back on the back wall, you got more shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel there. So I bring my own, so I don't plan on using theirs. Commode. Then you go into the bedroom area. It's the two, I guess they're queen size beds. I don't know, two full or queen beds. But either way, you got obviously a little table in between. I brought my own alarm clock because I don't trust my phone. So I did pick up that alarm clock at Walmart the other day for like 10 or 12 bucks. Got another flat screen TV in here. Dresser. I don't typically use these dressers, but I did go ahead and put some of my clothes in there because I'm gonna be here for 4 nights. Typically, I live out of my bag when I'm on the road like this, but I thought since I'm gonna be here 4 nights, I'm gonna stretch my legs and unpack a little bit. Here's your little walk-in closet here with your ironing board, your iron. I don't have anything that needs to be hung up. Everything I brought basically is just blue jeans and t-shirts. I did bring a polo shirt and a pair of khaki pants for the meeting. But so tomorrow we'll have a meet and greet. It is Sunday, like I said. I think I said that it's Sunday today. So the conference actually starts tomorrow. If I can find my itinerary here, I'll tell you guys what it is, but not important, but just to let you know. So it's Sunday night, and so tomorrow is tomorrow will be the registration and meet and greet, and that's from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So from 2 to 5 is the meet and greet and registration. So I'll go down to wherever the conference room is at, and I'll get registered for the conference. Basically, let them know you're here, and they have a little meet and greet. They have some little finger food stuff like that. They'll have some vendors there. Usually, you can kind of look around, and doesn't last long. You don't have to stay the whole time, but you do have to attend the meet and greet and get registered. But you know, up until 2 o'clock, you kind of free to roam around, do what you want to do here in the Murfreesboro area. And then after 5 o'clock. Now on Tuesday, Tuesday is our long day. Tuesday runs basically from 8 to 4:30 is what it says. Now, I've had some people keep us longer. I've said some let us out a little bit early, so you never know. But I would just plan. I'm going to plan on being there till about 4 o'clock, 4:30 Tuesday. So that's a full day. And then after 4:30, you kind of get out and roam around. And then Wednesday, Wednesday is looks like 8 to 12, so 8 to noon. So another day there Wednesday, and I'm staying Wednesday night, and I'll come back Thursday because I don't want to be in no big rush to try to, you know, because checkout's like 11 o'clock, 11:30, and you know, I don't want to be in no rush. So I'll use that extra time to get out and check out Murfreesboro. But anyway, guys, here's the room. The only complaint I have is that view right there, guys. The lack of a view. You're looking at a rooftop. That's it. You're looking at a rooftop. There's nothing to see as far as you can look that way. As far as you can see that way, it's nothing but rooftop and machinery. It's not real loud. You got a little bit of fan noise there, which that's not going to bother me. I sleep with a fan on at night anyway, so the fan noise won't bother me at all. Looks like they got it set. Yeah, it's auto set. It's 68 degrees in here. It's comfortable. I don't have any issues with the temperature. But anyway, guys, this is my first time staying at a Embassy Suites or Hilton, so I wanted to show you guys. One of the first things I noticed, guys, when I come in, I want to get over and show you as I walked in. I noticed, of course, the furniture, in my opinion, is a little bit dated. You can see on the armrest, or you know, it's seen a few arms laying on it. I do like this old chair though, like a snake skin pattern. I'd like to have one of those. But first thing I notice when I come in is there's brown duct tape on the carpet. That brown duct tape's holding that carpet down. So if you're an elderly person and you're staying here, a lot of times older people will drag their feet when they walk. Some young people do it too, I guess. But this carpeting, I noticed, especially like right here, if you can see, it's kind of loose and bunched up a little bit there. That could be an issue for an older person that dragged their feet. And this could be an issue too. You can see somebody's dragged their foot across there already and peeled that tape a little bit. But I've heard good things about Hilton and Hilton hotels. My boss is a member or whatever, so he talked highly of them. But that right there, like I said, it doesn't bother me. It's not an issue for me, guys. It's a free room for 4 nights. My company pays for the room for 4 nights, pay for my meals, so I'm not complaining. I just wanted to point that out and show you, because it was a little shock to me anytime you walk in a. Now, I've stayed in some hotels where that would not surprise me a bit, but I was a little surprised to see duct tape on the floor in the Hilton. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.